and I'm here today interviewing
Brenton Dresky.
How would you describe your outfit in one word?
I would say very Halloween.
What spirit day are you the most excited for?
Probably for Orange and Black on Friday for homecoming.
And the final big question, do you think the Tigers are going to win the homecoming game?
Hopefully.
Hi, my name is Muira Kreher, and I'm here today with
Emma Leonard.
Why are you wearing pink today?
To support those with breast cancer.
What spirit day are you looking the most forward to?
I'd have to say Y2K tomorrow.
In my final, the most important question, do you think the Tigers are going to win the homecoming game?
Oh, of course we are.
Hey, so who inspired your outfit?
Gur from Invader Zoo.
Yeah.
All right, what is your favorite accessory?
My favorite accessory is my silver-studded belt.
Yes.
All right, I also do love the necklaces.
Thank you, thank you.
Where is your belt from?
My belt is from Amazon.
I love that.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Emma.
And my name is Mira, fresh off the shore.
All right, Mira, what is your favorite summer activity?
I would have to say my favorite summer activity is hanging out with friends.
Ooh, that's so fun. All right, Mira, are you a beach or a pool person?
Definitely a beach person.
A beach person?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now the question is everyone wondering, can you actually boogie board?
Can I boogie? Boogie board? No, not boogie board.
All right, and do you think the Tigers are going to win?
Yes, I do. Hello, my name is Muira Kreher.
And I'm Mr. Brick, the assistant principal.
Can you tell us about your outfit? What's your favorite part?
So my favorite part is obviously my shoe game, which is fire. It's fire. No, my favorite part is the shoes. I actually just got these in. I call them my Akron kicks because of the orange, black, and white.
Lovely. What is your favorite thing about Akron and being a Tiger?
My favorite thing has to be the community aspect of the school because everybody knows everybody, and it's really crazy, like meeting parents of kids that are here, and they went to school here, and their parents went to school here. So I think just the community aspect is different than pretty much any other school I've ever been in.
And the most important question, do you think the Tigers are going to win the homecoming game?
See, I reside in Tonawanda, which is who they're playing, and I have to say that they're not really particularly pretty good. So I'm going to go with Akron Tigers to win the game 40-10.
And the score, go Tigers!
Go Tigers!